So guys, I'm eating adobo mamitas food, so delicious siya.
You can use the fork.
So,
Okay. Love it, baka marami yun.
mm. Mm. May stick fork.
It's okay.
Mm.
Yeah. Sipiano. You like it?
Yes. Magpipa. Not hot. Hi Manalap, I have dragon fruit. I got 1, 2, 3. I do. And I need some cuchillo to cut this a little bit.
Okay. I will help you because it's a knife. So you have to cut it here. And then
It's just like a
you
watermelon.
just peel it out. Peel. Peel lang natin siya. Peel.
It's so purple.
Yeah, oh, you can peel the other one.
No,
You peel this one.
no, no. I don't like it to peel it.
Why? See?
It's spaghetti.
It's too dirty.
Because another one. Why are you using your hands?
Yeah, we just
Thank you for watching. I love you.